Japanese candlestick patterns are technical tools that can help traders predict price movement. They indicate various price points, open or close, high or low, within the time period specified by a trader. According to their formation, we can recognize 3 types of candlestick patterns: single, double, and triple. Single candlestick patterns consist of only one Japanese candlestick. They generally signal possible market reversals or indecision periods. Some of the most frequent single candlestick patterns include variations of doji, spinning top, marubozu, hammer, hanging man, and shooting star. Double candlestick patterns include 2 candles, a bearish followed by a bullish one. They indicate a potential change in the price direction or a trend reverse. The most common patterns include tweezers, engulfing candles, harami, kicker, piercing line, and dark cloud cover. Triple candlestick patterns can be among the most reliable on the market. As their name suggests, they consist of 3 candles whose formation enables traders to determine price behavior. These patterns signal reversal or continuation patterns. The former indicates a new trend that goes in the opposite direction, while the latter implies a break, then continuation of the current trend. The most frequent triple candlesticks are morning and evening star, 3 white soldiers, and 3 black crows, 3 inside up and down, an abandoned baby. Mastering candlestick patterns could help you make better trading decisions and improve your overall trading. Want to learn more about trading cryptocurrencies? Subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. For more in-depth articles and guides, visit CEX.IO University. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and may the market trend be in your favor.